Hey there, wanted to do a quick review on this 6-liter Aqua Oasis humidifier. Very nice. As you can see here, it cranks out a lot of humidity. It's got a fully adjustable dial on the front here. So if you want to make your basin of water last longer, you can dial that down to a lower setting, and that'll greatly reduce the amount of humidity that goes into the room. This is extremely quiet. It's running right now. If you don't have your head right beside it, you're not going to be able to detect that it's running. So it works really well in that regard. It's going to be perfect for kids, or if you're a very light sleeper and you just don't want noise while it's running, you're not even going to notice this thing in the room. As you see, it's got a nice steady stream of humidity rolling out. You also have the ability to adjust this so that you can direct the stream of humidity in any direction you want. Could be away from a wall or a lamp or towards a person, but lots of adjustability there. The knob, fully adjustable down here also. Here, we're all the way up on high, and I'll dial that all the way down to low. If I had one complaint, I do feel like even on the low setting, it still cranks out quite a bit of water. I wouldn't mind being able to adjust that a little bit lower, but it's not too bad. The whole point of it is to put humidity into the home, so it's doing its job. This basin will last for 2 days, so you don't have to refill it every day. It'll go 2 days, and then it does auto shut off once it empties. You do have about a 6-foot power cord with it. We'll go ahead and shut this off. One of the nice things about this is it doesn't spill. It's very easy to pick this up and walk around with it, and no water is going to come out. Whenever you want to drop it back on, it drops into place really easily. So easy on and off, no spilling. Now when you want to fill this up, it's easy to grab and go. To fill it up, you'll take it to the sink, twist this cap off, fill it up, and the cap does make a nice watertight seal. However, you will want to tip it back over the sink because you might get some water dropping out. Just kind of depends, but it's not too bad. Easy to carry back to the unit. Simply place it on, turn it on. You'll see immediately you get humidity going again. Overall, this is just a really nice humidifier. It's very highly reviewed. It's been on the market for a long time and holds up really well. Great functionality and features, and a great price point to go with it. Makes this a great buy.